How much does Cursor cost? Well, I'm right here on the main pricing page for Cursor. We're going to check out the monthly price and the yearly pricing and all of the different options that we have right here. First of all, I encourage you to click my link in the video description, check out Cursor for free, and see what benefits you can get by using this platform. So like I say, right here on pricing page, we've got left to right, we've got the hobby plan. This is the free plan. So this includes, there's no credit card required. You can literally just download the platform right here. There's limited agent requests and limited tab completions, but you can check out what Cursor can offer you with the free plan, see if it's the right thing for you, and then move into one of these paid plans. So I use the individual plan right here at $20 per month. As you can see, there's Pro Plus, and there's Ultra, all of which give you slightly different options. So starting with Pro, you get everything in hobby, which I mean isn't much because it's just essentially saying it's limited, but you get the whole platform, but you get an extended limit on agent. You get an access to the frontier models, that is the newest, best and brightest models. You get MCPs, you get skills and hooks. You also get cloud agents and a bug bot on usage-based billing. With Pro Plus, you're getting 3x Pro limits on agent. So essentially it's going to be 3 times what you get with Pro. That's at $60 per month. Then there is the Ultra at $200 per month. You're getting 20x even. The Pro limits on agents, that's 20 times what we're getting over here on Pro. So you got Pro, you got Pro Plus, and you got Ultra with the individual plan. Ultra's at $200 per month. You got Pro Plus at $60 per month, and you've got the Pro plan at $20 per month. That's kind of the entry level plan. You can move your way up as your usage increases. Of course, they also have a Teams option here at $40 per user. You can see the different options here for standard and premium, and there's also an enterprise plan. Just like most of these SaaS programs have, you can contact sales if you're running a larger company and you need that kind of extensive kind of requirements right there. So I was actually reading out the monthly pricing here. If you want to save, you can click over here to the yearly pricing. Normally when you look at these pricing pages, the yearly is there by default, but for some reason I've got monthly by default here. So essentially if you're paying monthly, you're paying more per month, but you don't have to pay the yearly plan all in one go. The only downside with yearly, you are saving per month, but you are going to have to pay for all of those months up front essentially. So you can see here you've got $16 for the individual, the Pro plan, then it's $48 per month for Pro Plus, and the Ultra is $160. That's versus $200 for the monthly version, and then Teams is at $32 per month. So you can check out these frequently asked questions down here if you want a little bit more information. You can instantly download Cursor and start with the free plan, like I said. Click my link, go through the sign up process. Highly encourage you to check out Cursor and see all the benefits that you can get with this. You can stick around and get a priced plan right here, one of the premium plans, or you can just stick around on the hobby for free and you never have to pay a penny. So check out my link, check out Cursor. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.